It is important that you groom your dog. A regular groom is recommended. Bathing a puppy can be a real challenge, especially when your pup uses every resource to thwart your attempts to get them clean. The dog should be bathed weekly. Dog ears should be cleaned with the wax and dirt removed every week. Unfortunately, the extra oil on the dog's skin can become rancid and cause bad odors. In this case, your dog needs to be regularly groomed and bathed to remove this excess oil. Dogs with droopy ears tend to develop ear infections quite frequently. It is also recommended that you brush your dog at least once a week. Subscribe to the channel.